This video will show you how the AI-powered career advisory service, My Career Dreams, works. We will first demonstrate the student experience. Students will create accounts by carefully filling in the information on the registration form. Remember, never share your username or password with anyone. Once registered, you will be logged in and can now interact with a chatbot. This bot will ask you questions, and you will need to respond. As you answer the questions, the progress bars to the right will fill out. You can also change the language of the questions if you like, by selecting the relevant option from the button on top. Once you have answered all the questions, your AI-powered career advisory report will be generated instantly. This report will show you your compatibility scores for the various fields you have expressed interest in. It will give you advice related to what steps you need to take to move forward in your field of interest, and will also offer insights into fields such as the latest market trends, what a typical workday looks like, etc. This report is based on input from career advisors, industry experts, and psychologists.